Do you struggle with your English pronunciation? Do you feel nervous when speaking English? Worry that you will not be understood because of your accent? Here are some tips and tricks to help you improve your pronunciation and confidence. 1. Work on your listening skills. Listening and speaking go hand in hand. So, try listening to a variety of sources to help improve your pronunciation. 2. Record yourself and play it back. This one might be uncomfortable at first, but it will help you to hear and improve any errors. 3. Smiling. I bet you weren't expecting me to say that, but did you know that smiling can improve the clarity of your speech? Want to learn more? Send me a message today and I'll take it from there.